Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back. Back to plank pose. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down facing dog. Stay one breath. Inhale, chest going inside. Exhale. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, palms together. Right, left leg back. Legs open with the 3 feet descent. And we're going to do for the triangle pose. Try to touch your right finger on your big toe and raise your left hand up. Look your left finger. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. Very good. Change opposite side. Try to touch your big toe and look your right finger. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. Catch your hip. Inhale, arch your spine a little bit. Exhale, back to center. Interlock your fingers behind your back. Look up, open the throat. Exhale, bend forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release your hand and left leg forward. Inhale, Utkatasana chair pose. One down, Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, head up, jump back. Chaturanga. A foot facing dog. Down facing dog. Right leg forward. Hands up, warrior one. Hands down. Plank, chaturanga. A foot facing dog. Down facing dog. Left leg forward, warrior one. Palms together. Hands down. Chaturanga. A forward facing dog. Down facing dog. Stay one breath. Inhale. Exhale. Jump forward. Inhale and exhale, going inside fully. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasiddhi. Thank you. Happy birthday, Priya. Happy birthday, Master Priya.
Thank you.
Here only for now is 7 degrees and with raining. Very good climate here.
Thanks a lot, everyone.
We in the Saikom Tanka one.